Audimute provides sound management solutions that are easy, green, and affordable. After correctly treating your space with Audimute, whether through sound absorption, sound blocking, or a mix of both, we guarantee you will love what you hear, or do not hear. In this video, I'll show you how to install Audimute AcoustiWood Planks. The planks are a sound absorption product that is meant to resemble wood. An AcoustiWood wall is made up of planks in multiple sizes that can be cut as needed for an exact fit. To install the planks, you'll need a Paslode Brad Nailer with our compatible foot. The foot protects the safety from damaging the planks. You may need a snap-off retractable utility knife and a T-square to cut down the lengths of the planks if needed. The Brad Nailer and foot are both available on Audimute.com. Work your way to the floor or up the wall depending on where you started, and you're done. If you want to remove or move the planks, simply pull them off the wall and remove the nails. If you don't have a Brad Nailer and would rather use an adhesive, we recommend using Loctite Power Grab Express Heavy Duty, which can be purchased on Audimute.com or your local hardware store. If you would like free sound advice, have any questions about our products, installation methods, or optimal coverage, please reach out to us via email, chat on Audimute.com, or call 866-505-MUTE. Please be sure to check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.